What if I told you the only thing standing between you and your dream life is your imagination? Sounds crazy, right? But what I'm about to show you isn't just wishful thinking. Science meets the soul. You've been working hard. You've been trying everything. But no matter what you do, something just feels stuck. That's because most people focus only on doing, but the real shift. It starts in the mind with visualization. Why visualization works? Top athletes rehearse every move in their minds before game day. Billionaires like Elon Musk visualize ideas before they become real. Why? Because your brain doesn't know the difference between what S imagined and what S real. When you visualize with emotion, you train your subconscious to believe and receive. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Get clear. What does your dream life look like? Get specific. A new apartment, successful business, traveling the world. Step 2. Close your eyes. Imagine it happening now, not someday. Now, feel it in your body. The excitement, the freedom, the peace. What do you smell? Hear? See? Step 3. Feel gratitude as if it's already yours. That emotion is the key. That's what reprograms your mind. You're not pretending. You're rehearsing your future into existence. The brain starts to seek opportunities, take new actions, and attract aligned situations. That's why this works. But only if you stay consistent. Don't wait for the world to show you your dream. Show your mind first, and your life will follow. Close your eyes. Start seeing the life that's already yours.